Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need a running database and a backend that speaks SQL. First, verify host, port, database name, user, and password. Next, install the appropriate driver or ORM for your backend language, PDO for PHP, MySQL, or PG for Node, SQLAlchemy for Python. Then write a minimal route or API endpoint that executes a parameterized query and returns JSON. Once done, test the endpoint with curl or Postman to confirm the query returns structured data before connecting the HTML client. Now implement the core logic. Accept input, validate, then run a parameterized query to prevent injection. Transform rows into predictable JSON objects and include paging metadata when large results are possible. Make sure your route sets JSON headers and appropriate HTTP status codes. For example, send 400 for bad input and 500 for unexpected server errors. Once this is stable, add logging and simple caching. If needed, so repeated HTML requests don't hit the database unnecessarily. From your HTML page, call the backend API using fetch or Axios with async/await. Show a loading indicator, parse the JSON response, and render rows into a table or cards while escaping any user content. Make sure to handle HTTP errors and display friendly messages. Finally, test end-to-end. Check browser network tab, backend logs, CORS headers, and database user permissions if things fail. If queries return no data, verify parameters and run the SQL directly against the database to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.